Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will teach you how to apply color corrector correctly so that you can have smooth flawless base and can hide all the imperfections, especially if you're suffering from pimples every now and then like me. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's get it started. So before doing any makeup, it's important to prep your skin, and for that I'm using Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, which is amazing and it literally makes the skin so smooth like baby. And I mean it really. And especially if you're having pimples, then it's important to use it because your base will turn out very smooth. For the concealer, I'm using my favorite green color concealer from LA Girl, and the green color concealer is especially used on pimple marks to hide it or reduce their appearance so that they do not appear too harsh. So I'm using this concealer wherever I'm having the pimples and where I think I have pimple marks. Well, I have it on both sides of my face these days. Uh, so yeah, I'm using it. It's very easy to apply it with this tube. And now you can see I've applied it all over my face. So now I'm going to use another concealer. This is the light concealer. I think it's light ivory concealer that I'm using under my eyes, and I've used it so many times before on so many makeup videos. This concealer is basically used to hide the dark circles under the eyes and to give a lifted appearance on your face without having a facelift. Cool, right? And I'm using a little bit under my chin and on my forehead, so because I think that I have a little bit of discoloration over there, and now I am very gently blending it with a beauty blender. Alright, it's very important to pack the product into your skin and to not to drag it like harshly, because you want to conceal these areas. Alright, the idea of a concealer is to make sure that you have a flawless base. So you put the concealer on the areas where there is a discoloration or uneven skin tone or pimple, and then you put the foundation on top of the concealer. So make sure you understand this properly. Alright, so I'm pushing or trying to push the product in, and even for the concealer that I have used under my eyes, I am strategically using the beauty blender, making sure that the lines are not compromised in any way. Now I'm using the pressed powder from Body Shop, and I always do that, making sure that the concealer is set in place, and I use very little powder. And now I'm using the foundation. This is a new foundation from Sapphire Cosmetics, and I'm using it all over on my face. Very thin layer of foundation. It's a good foundation, and you can actually build up coverage with this. Because I've used a concealer, so I am using very little foundation, making sure that it's all over my face, and now I'm blending it with the beauty blender for this smooth flawless base. Yeah, blending is the key in any makeup routine. Always remember that. Okay, once I will be done with it, I will again set up the foundation with the compact powder. Very important step, making sure to use it all over your face wherever you have used the foundation. This actually makes sure that the makeup stays in place for a long time.